There truly is something new on the horizon each day at New Horizons RV. We're not about punching the clock, working an assembly line and stamping out widgets. From our front office to the factory floor to final finish, our family of quality-minded individuals produces one-of-a-kind, one at a time, handcrafted coaches for a lifetime of living. At New Horizons RV, we're about
tackling challenges,
getting creative,
solving problems.
From the chassis to the roof, we build craftsmanship into every inch of our majestic, Summit, and Toy Hauler RVs, making them the most coveted and most customized in the industry. From floor plans to fixtures to furnishings, we work with our customers to create RVs that fit their lifestyles. That means meeting new people and going the extra mile to meet their needs. Bringing customers into New Horizons family means
forming relationships,
finding a way,
learning every day.
People who just go through the motions tend to go somewhere else. We're too busy working together, supporting each other, and packing passion, pride, and performance into every coach we build. The payoff at the end of each New Horizons day? Watching the smiles light up the faces of our customers when they see the home they've always dreamed about.
At New Horizons, we are building dreams.
It takes a team to build a dream. Are you ready to join ours?